Hi, this video is about Pygame Zero. With Pygame Zero you can create wonderful games. But there is a little problem for me, because if I run the program, I have the width 800 and 800. I have the Windows game too height, and I have to reposition this in another place. In Stack Overflow I've seen some code to adjust the position of the windows. So if I write this code, now the windows is here. X is 100 pixels from the left, Y is 100 pixels from the up of the screen. But I want the Windows game in the middle of my screen. My screen has this resolution. So I divide my resolution by 2, and I subtract the Windows size, the Windows game size. In this case, 800. Okay, it's not this. Allora, also the 800 has to be divided by 2. Okay. Y could be 400. Too much? Okay, it's fine. It is very important to write 2 slash, because x and y must be integers. If I have this width and I divide by 2, I will obtain not an integer but a float, and this code will not work, and the position of the Windows game will be wrong. So it is very important to divide with 2 slash to obtain an integer. Thank you very much for watching this video.